dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin. Come with Timmy, say hooray! Let's have fun and learn to play. On the board where dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin.
Hi friends! Today we're talking about stalemate. Do you know what that is? Me neither. Let's ask our friends, the White King and the Black King. Come on, let's go find them.
Oh, look at this fish I caught! Wow, it's huge! Even bigger than the one we caught last time. Look how big and shiny it is. Yes, this is the best fish we've ever caught.
Hello, Kings. There you are. Oh my goodness, what a big fish! I've never seen anything like that. It's beautiful. Friends, look! We found the White King and the Black King. White King and Black King. Could you please tell us what a stalemate is in chess?
Of course, children. We will show you everything. Come with us. But first, let's let this lovely fish go back to the lake, and then we can all walk together to the chess meadow. Well, friends, let's learn what stalemate is today. You already know what check and checkmate are. And now we will see how stalemate is different and what we need to do to make a stalemate happen. Let's invite two black rooks to help us show what a stalemate is. Let's imagine that one black rook gives me check, just like this. And now what do we see on the board? Both black rooks are attacking me. I am under attack and I have nowhere to go. And that means checkmate. And this, friends, we already know. Now let's see what happens if the rook moves like this. In this position, neither rook is giving me check. I am not under attack, but now it's my turn. Where can I go? Nowhere. All the squares around me are protected by the two black rooks. So this kind of position, when it's my turn but I have no moves and I am not being attacked, is called stalemate. And stalemate, friends, means a draw in chess. Now, kids, remember this. If I still have any other piece on the board, even a tiny pawn, then it is not a stalemate. Because that piece can make a move, and the game continues. Look, just like this. And now let's invite the Black King. Let him show us how this works in his kingdom. Hello, little friends! In my kingdom, everything works just like in the White Kingdom. Let me show you what stalemate looks like. For this, I'll invite a white rook and a white bishop to help us. Let's go. Let's see what happens if the white bishop makes a move like this. Look closely. Then the white rook shoots forward and takes away all the squares in this line. And the white bishop moves on the diagonal and takes away all the squares on the diagonal too. What do we see now? No one is attacking me, but it is my turn and I have nowhere to go. All the squares around me are taken by the white rook and the white bishop. What do you think, friends? What is this position called in chess? Of course, this is stalemate. It's my turn. No one is attacking me, but I cannot move anywhere because all the squares around me are controlled by the white pieces. But remember, friends, if I still have even one other piece, let's say a knight, then the knight can make a move even if I cannot. Then it is not a stalemate, and the game continues. Look, just like this. You did such a great job today, friends. Now you know what a stalemate is in chess. And guess what? We invite you to join us on a fun underwater chess adventure. Swim with us. It's going to be so much fun.
On our board so bright and clear, we gather here with joy and cheer. Pawns blow trumpets loud and sweet. A happy day is ours to meet. Kings and queens and rooks so bold. Stories of chess are bright and told. Come along and learn to play in our fun chess land today.